Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to hide a folder or a file from your Windows PC. Opening my computer or this PC and select your files. In case I'm opening my Windows picture folder, after opening that folder I'm selecting this copy page or the copy folder. If you want to hide these those photos, the extra copy of these photos or this photo, just click that photo and choose properties, and you can see there is an option for hidden. It's a radio button for hidden. Just click that hidden, then click apply, then okay, that file is hidden. Now how to check, how to show that file for viewing. If you normally a computer guy with there is no extra knowledge, opening this folder cannot be see any file in this folder. But if you want to see that that file, you can just go to the view tab and select the hidden items. There is it. You can see there is the file here. If you want unhide this file, just click that file, go to properties and untick the hidden, then apply, then okay. This is for a file. Also use this method for hiding a folder. You can see there is the copy folder. Just we want to hide this folder, just right click and select properties and select this hidden radio button, then click apply, and there is an option for apply changes to this folder or all of the folders and file subfolders and files from this folder. Choose that one, okay, then click okay. In this case we are hide this folder and that file, but we are tick with this view hidden files from this button. So you can see there is a, after selecting that hidden button, you can see that folder and file, because of we are tick these hidden items. You can easily untick the hidden items from the view tab. Okay, there is no file is here. I mean there is no a folder with the name of copy. We are successfully hide that folder. If you want to see that folder again, just go to view tab and click the hidden items, then you can see that hidden folder. There is another option. We are just going to click the properties and unhide, untick that hidden button, then apply and okay and okay. Okay, there is a very simple trick. We are just click that button, that folder, right click and select properties, then click the hidden button, then click apply and select this one, apply changes to this folder only. Okay, click ok, then that folder is hidden. Now you can also open that folder by using this URL. Okay, we know that folder name is copy, so we are just click put a slash and type copy, then plus enter. You can successfully access that folder after hidden. Okay, we are open that folder. Those files are not hidden, so we can see that file from that folder. We click back to this pictures folder. You can, there is no, you cannot see that folder copy. But if you want to open that hidden folder, just click and put a slash and sorry, this one slash, and type that folder name, press enter. It's a very simple trick. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.